Katie and Kyle Conley here with American Dream Outdoors.
In this clip, we'll be showing you pro staffer Ron Houston as he tags out on a beautiful Western New York longbeard.
Stay tuned for more action from the American Dream Outdoors.
Gobbler down, baby, gobbler down. Oh yeah, gobbler. Well, here we are looking over another Western New York longbeard. Second bird of the season for me. I was fortunate to scout this bird yesterday morning. Put a plan together to get on this bird first thing in the morning and get in close with the rain. And as you could see in the video, that's exactly what happened. After a few soft yelps and clucks, him gobbling back and forth, I decided to try to shut up and not call to him anymore. And he flew right down and landed 20 yards from my gun, and I was able to give him the dirt nap. So now I'm tagged out. I guess it's cameraman and call for me. I'll try to get some of my buddies on some birds, and hopefully we can get some more good footage for the American Dream Outdoors.